Our cruel master had many slaves. He often punished them for nothing. Once a slave ran away to a jungle and hid in a cave. He began to live there. One day they came across a lion. He got frightened. He wanted to run away, but then he saw that he lion was humping. He also caught sight of his badly swollen paw. The lion could hardly walk. He took pity on him. He went near him and pulled out paw. The lion looked at him with gratitude and went his way. After a long time, the slave was caught. The master decided to throw him. Before hungry lion, the lion, instead of killing him, began to lick his feet. In fact, it was the same lion that had met the slave in the jungle. When the master learned the real event, he was moved to tears and freed